Let me show you how to draw a very simple hip roof. It's very commonly used in churches in the form of a church steeple. If you make it lower than is usually used on a church steeple, it'll look sort of like a pyramid. Let's get started. So here you can see 4 orthogonals, 2 to the left vanishing point, 2 to the right vanishing point, and then I followed it up with an X to indicate where the center of the top of our roof is. Obviously, if we were drawing a building, we would have some verticals coming down here. Okay, so how do you do this kind of hip roof, which comes to a point? Very simply, now that we found the center, we're going to draw a vertical line up from the center, which is, of course, the center of the X. I'm going to use orange to do that now. There's my vertical line. Now what I really needed was not that X, but the center of the X. And what I really needed was not that line, but the top of the line. So I'm now going to erase all this so as not to confuse you. But now I know that this dot that I've left is vertically aligned with dead center of the X. Now I'm going to complete my pointed hip roof. I'm going to draw from that dot down to the front 3 corners. There's the first. There's the second. There's the third. I've now completed the front surfaces. Now, if I want to go ahead and show you the back, I'm going to switch to red, indicating that this is not a line that you would normally see, so that you can see the 4 sides of this pointed hip roof. And there's the back corner. If we want to include something pointed for decoration, or perhaps a lightning rod at the tip, as you often see, that would just be a continuation of that orange dot that was in line with the center of that first X, like this. And there we have the 2-point perspective pointed hipped roof.